Alright guys, Model Rocks 321 here. Today we are out on a breezy day. This is more of a test. Testing out a new camera with zoom, so that's all this video is right here, this part anyway. Be testing this Boyce Aerospace Little Joe 2 3D printed kit on an A10 3T. So this is just a test, just to see how I do with the zoom on this new camera setup. So here we go. So we're gonna give it a shot. All right, here we go, and we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very windy. Ejection. Wow. Hopefully you guys caught that. Yeah, it's a very breezy day. That A10 3T seemed a little underpowered, but it went up and it came down. So we'll check, see if everything survived. It looked like everything is good. 3D print is kind of tough. But yeah, arced over into the wind. A10 3T. Huh. No, it's not that heavy. When I checked the weight and everything, it seemed like it would have lifted it, but it did. So let's check the replay. All right, guys, here we go again. We got a Goblin redo because the last one had a little misfire. So here we go. We got the Goblin on a redo. Zoom test on a C11.5 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No go. All right. All right, here we go. Goblin on a C11.5 zoom test. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I see it. And there it is, streamer coming back towards us. I saw it, but I lost it. Oh, there it is, way over here. Not sure if you guys are seeing that, probably not. I had to look away from the camera, so just touched down kind of like directly straight ahead in front of me. But with the clouds, it made it hard to see. It would have been nicer with a blue sky day, but just trying to give it some practice. And looking at the screen, I gotta probably turn the brightness up on the screen, so. But C11.5 wasn't too bad on the Goblin. Had a couple of misfires. I don't know why. I think my micro clips are dirty. Gotta sand those up. But yeah, be right back to you. All right, so here it is. I have a broken fin laying on this hard stuff right here. So overall, streamers came out. I was able to spot it. Lost it for a second, but I wasn't able to keep the camera on. I don't think you got any zoom out of that, but still working on it. We'll get there. So at least we got the Goblin back. There he is. But he will be fixed and repaired. He will be on the website. He will be fixed all up for you. Flies nice, it flew nice, had to arc into the wind and it came on back in the right direction. Never arch, never point your rocket away, never point them away from the wind, go into the wind. So there we have it. All right guys, here we go. So we're gonna be flying the Terraformer. It is going on, I think it's a D16 4FJ. It's probably gonna go really high and it has an ejection charge, so it may be a pop, may go out of sight, I'm not sure. Kind of cloudy today and I'm trying to practice on this zoom, so we'll see. We may or may not see this one today again. I don't know, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, and if I get away from looking at the camera and if you don't see anything, I'm just looking by eyesight. So we will check it out. Let's do it. All right, here we go. We got the Terraformer. This is still camera zoom test, gonna go really fast and probably pretty high. I mean, I'm gonna try, but if I look away, you know the deal. I am not looking at the rocket if I walk away. So we will see. I had to stop and do something. So here we go, guys. Terraformer going on a D14 FJ something. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. That's gonna crash and probably break. There was the ejection. Nice. Yeah, I thought something would break. I see a leg popped off. Not super high, not crazy. Yeah. All right, look like a clean break for the most part. Yeah, it broke. It looked like it broke where it broke before. Overall, not a bad flight on. Had a little pop for the ejection charge because these don't really need the ejection charge, but still doing the test. But a little break. Everything breaking on this hard ground. I gotta get back to the soft grounds. but not bad at all, not bad at all. Rotor-Roc 321, guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check the discount codes over at SDSIN_321. Fill your cart, put that code in, and use that discount. Create new email addresses and use that discount, because that's probably the only way to get around it. I mean, they have it as a one-time use, but go and check it out. Make a new email address. Nothing to it. All right, guys. Rotor-Roc 321, and let's see how it goes. I'm out. All right, guys. Last one, I believe. The Rotor Raptor will go on a D12.3. As you can see, it is, I'm not sure if you can see, but the rod is moving around. It is breezy. Everything's loaded. All the rubber bands are loaded. All the stop pins are loaded. We are on here. It's going to be going on a D12.3. Just as another zoom test, I got zoom. So the matter thing is I just have to keep my eye on it. I used to do this a long time ago, but I gotten away from the zooming aspect. Just want to bring you guys a little bit better content and being able to zoom on some stuff, because people have mentioned it a few times. So I'm just going to try it out. So here we go. The Rotor Raptor going to be going on a D12.3. Let's check it out. So here we go. We got a breezy launch. The Rotor Raptor is going. This is screen test again. Zoom test. Rotor Raptor is kind of calm right now. A little rod, but we're going to go. Here we go. Going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. And blades are not out yet. You gotta flip around. Oh, he's dropping. Rotor Raptor blades. Oh no. Now they came out after he hit the ground. Ah, now he was falling, he didn't take. I wonder if that wind up there got something to do with it. Rotor Raptor hit the ground. Let's see the damage we have done. Oh, he is busted. He is busted up. Rotor Raptor is busted. Yeah, that was a hard hit. That was a hard hit. Yeah, I mean, it did burn. I can see the burn. The string did pop loose. The bands are out. The blades are still looking kind of good. So it looked like top half damage. Oh yeah, that's a bad one there. But yeah, so top, upper. I already see where I can separate and keep some stuff, I guess. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Rotor Raptor has hit the ground. Screen test day. Nice flight though. These fly really well. I have another piece of a launch video of one when I was practicing this before. But it does work. But I don't know what happened today. I don't know if the wind just kept it in. We will never know. This is Rotor-Roc 321, guys. Thanks for joining. We got ourselves a crash at the end of the day. Something to fix, something to repair. Because I like these so much. These Rotor-Rocs are becoming my favorites. You know, I know these are in the competition and stuff. But there we have it. We're going to wrap this up. Like I said, Estes discount code, all that good stuff. Go over, support the channel any way you can. I have a couple of rockets on my website. Go see what's in there. I got some stuff in there for you guys. Your support is always welcome. It's Rotor-Roc 321, and we are out. All right, guys, here we go. We got the Rotor Raptor going on a D12.3. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is. Ejection. And we got blades. There we go. Hope you guys are seeing it. Yeah, definitely rotoring around. So here we have it, guys. Rotor Raptor landed intact. Everything is good. So yes, and this landed next to this feather. I wonder if this feather is good luck. Might be a good luck feather. So there we go, guys. Rotor-Roc 321. Subscribe to the channel, and we will be back. So okay, it is debriefing time after a windy, crazy, and tragic day. Today was more of a test day. I just want to put up a couple different rockets to try and practice with my zoom camera. Looking at the screen, it wasn't the ideal sky for zoom. It was just cloud cover. I think it'll be a lot better on the blue sky. From what I remember from my old zoom camera, I could really see the whole thing. You can see everything and zoom in. So this today, I don't think it was too successful with zooming. Some of the rockets that hit the ground, just breezy, crazy, everything. But at least I got up to fly some. First flight was the Boyce Aerospace Lil Joe 2. I flew it with an A103T. it seemed to be, it arced into the wind, very underpowered, I guess. He do recommend the 18mm engine, but judging by the weight, I thought it should lift this rocket up a little higher than it went. He was able to see that one for the most part. Like I said, I was just practicing with the zoom. So that was the first one. I finished this rocket a little while ago. Really nice, just did it to scale, to all the specs. He provided all the decals. The decals I had to cut apart to get them in their proper place. The roll patterns here. These ones, same deal, just cut them apart. You can see the top view, how the capsule decals are laid out. Then you got a decal here for the retro rocket. And you got their name decals on the side. I have to replace the one on the side because it came off. I didn't get to clear coat this yet, but I'm going to be doing that as soon as I put this other United States decal going down the side. This is an 18mm motor mount, but I flew it with a 13, as you saw, the underpowered flight or wind affected flight. You can toss up which one it was, because it definitely was a issue with the flight. But the rockets work well, I'm pretty sure. I have to get the if I had the right engine in there, probably would have went a lot higher. So in here, I think I had an A103T, like I said. Let me check that out really quick. Yeah, A103T's in here, burnt out. So there's the burnt motor. Toss that guy, shake out the char from the adapter. These are adapters, you can get these, they're around. Then it had this, see the retaining ring. Throw that guy on there so it don't get lost. So that was the first flight of the day. Very nice rocket. I love the Lojo 2. As you know, this is my favorite. It's my all-time. One of my all-time. I think it is. The Lojo 2 is like my all-time scale anyway. So next up, we flew the Goblin. Took a couple tries getting this lit, but then it finally did go. I didn't want to put it on a D12-7. I didn't want it. It was cloud covered. It still went kind of out of sight, but I was able to pick it up and I saw it. I lost it for a second, then I saw it again. The wind was just pushing these all around. So there's the C11.5, not the D12 or anything like that. D12.7 is what it flies on. This fin broke off, but it's holding on pretty good with this glue. This is the vintage fin. And this rocket, this used rocket, will be on the website. I'm not going to keep this guy. It's going to go to one of you if you're interested. I'll replace this. I see this streamer got a little burn there, so I'll replace the streamer. I'm going to get rid of this right now. So we'll have a replaced streamer. I can cut this off right now. I'll throw an extra streamer in there for you. But I will get this fixed up and it will be added to the website shortly. You know, it's running Kevlar, a little elastic up top. We'll get the fin. And this is an old one. This is a the cone was missing, so I've replaced it with a balsa nose cone. And yeah, it's all set for somebody if you want it. Redid the decals, the paint, everything. It's not a pristine job. I didn't want it. I wanted to leave some of the old elements. That's why the oranges are two different color, like the fins and the body orange, two different oranges. So get this in here. But yeah, the fin, this one's still holding. I'm gonna get that glued on. And I had a lot of bats left over from the decals I got from, I think, from Sticker Shock. Were these Sticker Shock? I believe these were Sticker Shock. Yeah, they're Sticker Shock decals. So I had some extra bats to put on there. And you can see there's two different oranges. Like this is a darker orange, and this is the newer orange that I use. So yeah, it's just a creepy Goblin. So that'll be available. That was the second flight. Like I said, tragic. Well, actually not tragic. It's a broken fin. So that was that one. Next, I flew the Terraformer. Came down hard on that hard dirt. And let me get this out of here. I flew it with again, windy is a windy launch. I flew it with a retainer and I flew it on the FJ. It definitely was an FJ. I think are they the D16 4 FJs, I believe. I forget, because I had this already packed, and I just remember it. I could see the nozzle and everything. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need my retainer for this one. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, that's how you saw all that black smoke. Anytime you see dark jet black smoke like that, it's an FJ motor. So it was, yeah, D16 4 FJ was the motor. These are the Black Max. These are Q-Jet motors. I really like these a lot. They perform really well. Yeah, it went up there and it popped off. You know, it ejected the ejection, but there was nothing to eject. So that was that. But repairs are nice and easy. I had this one get broke a while ago. So I'll just throw some epoxy in there. I'll get this all fixed up. Easy fixes today so far. These were the easy fixes. We had those two. and 2 adapters I move. See, 11.5 spent. And my huge tragedy was my Rotor Raptor. Rotor Raptor. I'll take the rubber bands off. Hit the ground. I saw it go up. It arched into the wind. I had a nice angle because into the wind. I don't know. It's hard to really tell because everything was freed. It hit the ground, then everything, all the blades popped out. They were kind of flailing around. I don't know if the wind up there was too strong, possibly, but this is the damage suffered. I'm gonna keep my hooks. I'm gonna keep this top lug. I may be able. I can rebuild. Yeah, cone's gone. I can forget about the cone. From here up, forget about. So I can actually do some chopping right now. I'm gonna go ahead and get. This can go right now because this is total. Yeah, this is all totally wasted here. The screws, I mean, that's the only thing that's probably good. The cone, I'm just getting a new cone. I think I have this same shape in a balsa one somewhere. I think I have a couple of those. But yeah, everything fired, the ejection fired. And once it crashed, that's when the blades actually did its thing. But the ejection fired and the string did free the blades. It was just hard to really know what happened. The hinges are still good, everything's still good. So we're gonna, if I can get some stuff shaped, either reshaped or rebuilt. The blades are good, lower half's great. This launch lug is that launch lug got a little crush on the end right there. My screw eye builds with the little plate that they're drilled through. Still looking good, but yeah, we will get this. Hold on to this just for my measurement. Cause I had 2 successful flights of this. I had, no, actually 3. Yeah, the first one, when I first took it out, then I had 1 in the park, and then I had, no, so it was 2 successful flights, and then this one. So that's the deal. That's this is rocketry though. Yeah, these things, you know, part of the biz, part of the business. You're either gonna fix it, or you're gonna cry, or you're not gonna be flying because, yeah, there we go. So that's the launch lug. Get that open back up. Yeah, if I can get rebuilt up from this point, I'll be doing good. It's kind of crinkly. I'm gonna look at it and see. I may have to go in there with a stronger stuffer tube, or just replace. Maybe replace, cut around and get this whole section replaced, possibly. That may be what happened. I gotta do some measuring just to get my measurement. Yeah, because this is a great one, man. I really like it. It really flies well. It's a great flying rocket on D12.3. It's pretty nice. I think, did I show that burn hole? See, there's the burn hole right there. This is where the thread, where you go through that hole, you come out of that hole right there. That hole is what you use to tie your blades down, if you don't know how these work. And the motor's right here, of course. D12.3, leaped off the pad, really nice. That's like a kind of a slow lift off, but it was just a lot of wind, and I'm not sure if the wind up there wouldn't let these come out. I don't know, these things are still tricky, kind of still trying to understand Rotor-Rocs, but they're super cool. I like them a lot. Super cool designs, super cool rockets. And I think that is the end of the debrief. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, like I always say, support the channel. Check the links below. Check the website. Shop Estes Rockets. Put in discount code IN_321. I think you can only use it once, unless you get somebody else to do it, or maybe another email address may do it. I'm not sure. I think another email address could possibly work for you. It should be wide open for everybody. I mean, it should be open. But anyway, guys, thanks for checking out this video. I'm still learning on just trying to zoom. It's the cloud cover, like, because you can't on this little screen. No, the screen's bigger, but it's still hard to see. Like, you gotta try to follow the smoke, but the smoke's matching the background of the sky. So issues for right now, but we'll get it. We'll be zooming, and we'll be back with more videos. Thank you guys, and I'm out of here. It's my Rock 3, 2, 1.